What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna have an update on Sonorus. As you guys probably know, I've already made a couple of videos about this project. We need to talk about it again because it has exploded since the moment that I was making those videos. I think the price went something between a 7 to 8x, which is nothing short of impressive because I was talking about this 2 months ago. Nobody was talking about it. If you still don't know what Sonorus is, I would definitely invite you guys to check out those videos because I've discussed the token utility, the tokenomics, how the entire platform works, etc. But I'm gonna just give you a very quick overview. As described right here, is a decentralized app for music voting and discovery. You can see this as the Spotify of Web3 in a way, but not entirely because it doesn't aim to cover the music reproduction, but on the other hand, the music discovery for charting and discovering music. You're gonna be able to buy and sell upvotes and therefore generate rewards. And also one of the main factors that made me, very attracted to this offering is the fact that they sell nodes, which as opposed to other projects like Miria or Playable, they are very expensive. Sonorus nodes are very cheap. And full disclosure, I bought 3 for $800 each. I think that if you buy them right now, they are $875. So not much more expensive. And I'm gonna get to the nodes at the end of this video. What happened? What happened with Sonorus? Why did the price go up like 7x in the past week? This is because Sonorus, drumroll, it's going into the AI sphere. There's been a major update with Sonorus that made it go into not only the decentralized social field and music, decentralized music, etc., but also on the AI sphere. You guys probably know that everything in AI is pumping right now. Your favorite projects are exploding. For AI tech, me and my private group are 30x up. Chirplay is another project that blends AI with social. And in a similar vein, you can see Sonorus, but on the music. Bitman, how is it called, guys? Anyway, Bitman AI, this is the major update. In a nutshell, to put it like with very few words, it allows user to input some prompts, and with these prompts, you're actually gonna be able to generate an original piece of music. If this doesn't make you bullish on this project, I honestly don't know what to tell you. You can see it as something very, very similar to the platform Sora, but music oriented. So I want to say that this pump for 90% was actually caused of Sonorus diving into the AI field. And in my opinion, this makes sense because everything's been pumping in AI. There's going to be the NVIDIA conference coming just in a few days. And the market for AI is much bigger than what Sonorus was just aiming towards. So the market cap went from 1 million to 7 and 8 million overall. Right now it's sitting at 7 after just a small drop because everything is dropping today because Bitcoin is dropping. So a big jump. And the chart definitely makes me bullish, I'll tell you that. I'm not gonna play this piece of music right here because I think that I might get copyrighted, but check on their X profile. There's actually examples of users that have generated these pieces of music just by inputting these prompts that you can see right on the screen right now. It's pretty crazy. It's one thing to look at Sonorus before when it was 1 million in market cap and be like, okay, this is just another decentralized social project. It's focused on music. Take it or leave it. But now that it's on AI, just think about the market cap that projects like ChainGPT, AI Tech, Delisium, even on the smaller side, even Open Fabric AI, there are maybe 50 million in market cap. Like, this is an untapped opportunity, and the fact that we members are already at 7 to 8x means that the people in my private group are in for perhaps even multiple 100x's. I'm gonna talk about all the benefits on my private group at the end of this video, so stay tuned if you're interested because I'm gonna discuss the benefits at the end of this video. There's a 24% volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours, which signals a lot of interest. It's on the BNB chain, so it also means that you won't be dealing with the outrageous Ethereum gas fees at the top of the bull run. It has a total supply of 1 billion and the self-reported security supply is 38%. I want to talk about the node specifically because I think that that is the best offering that this project offers. But before that, I just want to make a quick mention about the exchange listing situation. As you can see, the exchange listing, when it comes to centralized exchanges, it's only on KuCoin and Maxi. I see no reason why something this big that's probably going to be very big during the bull run would not be listed on something like Binance. And you guys know that when this is listed on those major tier 1 exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, the price is going to go parabolic and we're in for big returns. So you want to get in before those exchange listings, and I don't think that there's a better time than now. And another note to make is that the investors, the backing of this project is second to none. There's Y2Z, which is the biggest metaverse investor in Asia. It's behind another bunch of gaming and metaverse project in Asia. The market in Asia, by the way, for metaverse, decentralized social, is freaking huge. I don't think that people like us in the West really realize this, but I've digged down a lot into this market, and I think it's an untapped potential. And also Hashkey, I think that this was one of the early investors of Ethereum or something like that, but huge numbers behind this. The fact that this is still a 7 million, it's still an untapped opportunity. I think that you're not late to the party at all. Why do I like the nodes of Sonorus, and why did I buy some, and why did I recommend my community to get some? If I compare the ones on Myria or any other gaming projects, the nodes are super expensive. But the ones of Sonorus, they're not even 1,000 bucks. They're 875. It would have been 800 if you entered by the time that I made the first video. But still, it's quite cheap, and you can get back the investment in no time. I made some calculations, and based on the price right now, it will get you around 3 months to get the money back. And after that, you're gonna be totally in profit. So how it works is that you get on a daily basis a certain amount of tokens. I think that right now the mission is 27 tokens per day, and you get them forever. So you pay this investment, in 3 months you get the money back, and then all the tokens that you get after, they are forever yours, and you're gonna generate them forever. Okay, this is how it works pretty much. If the price goes 2x from here, it's gonna take you a month and a half. And if the price goes 10x, it's gonna take you 9 days to get the money back. Now, that is pretty crazy to me. So the sooner you get in, the better. Of course, do your own research, see it for yourself. I'm not forcing you to buy if you don't like it, but I'm just giving you my honest, organic thoughts. As you can see on the screen right now, by the time of me making this video, there's been 11,101 DJ nodes sold. I think the total supply, let's see, should be around 50,000. That is the total amount of nodes that they're ever gonna be in circulation. And the initial price was $600, and the price increases of 25 USDT every 100 nodes that are sold. Oh, and by the way, I didn't mention, but after you buy, you can actually stake the tokens that you earn, and you can essentially even double the revenue that you make out of it. That's pretty crazy. If there's anything close to passive income in crypto, this is it. So if you guys are interested in the node, I'm gonna leave you my referral link down in the description. I really appreciate you if you do. That directly supports me, and let me know if you guys have used my code so I can actually personally thank you. So as a long-term investment, I think that this is really worth it. AI has exploded already. I think that AI is gonna keep being a bubble that is still gonna go up for the foreseeable future. I think that we're due another leg up due to the Nvidia conference and all these bullish updates that are coming in the industry very, very soon. The Bitcoin halving is just around the corner. The actual bull market is actually around the corner. So I do think that the future for Sonorus is very, very bright. I'm gonna conclude this video by reminding you guys that you would have discovered Sonorus around 3 months ago. If you had been in my private group, you would already be several X's up on your investment. So if you're looking for the next gem that is gonna do multiple 100 X's before I even bring them out to the YouTube, I would definitely invite you to join my private group. It's not just my buy and sell signals, but it's overall the best community in crypto right now. You're gonna get a lot of alpha on a daily basis. So I will leave all the benefits right here on the screen right now. You can pause the video, or you do you, whatever. I hope to see you there and help you out with your crypto investing journey. And until then, take care for now.